Introducing Velociteach's all-in-one PMP exam prep kit, fully updated to prepare for the current PMP exam. Let's take a look and see all the resources inside. First is our exam prep textbook, the PMP exam, How to Pass on Your First Try by Andy Crow. On top of the laminated plastic on the textbook, you'll see 2 key cards. These are important, so do not throw them away. The card provides access to both the Flashcard Mobile App and the audio conversations available to download as MP3 files. The textbook will be your best friend when you are studying. It covers all the processes, inputs, tools, and outputs that will be tested on the exam, as well as provides insider secrets, test tricks, and tips. The book contains over 400 practice exam questions and links to over 60 short videos where Andy explains concepts in more depth. While listening to the audio conversations, you'll hear from Velociteach's subject matter experts as they walk you through the ins and outs of the PMP exam. Next, we have our Flashcard app. These 425 digital cards help you learn the knowledge areas quickly and effectively. Available to use on your Apple and Android device, this app is great for studying on the go. Here we have our Quiff reference guide, designed to go along with the textbook. This guide provides an overview of key information to remember for the exam. Now let's take a moment to discover the last part of the kit, which gives you access to Velociteach's online learning platform, Insight. The textbook in the kit provides you with a trial version of our self-paced Pass the PMP e-learning course, containing 6 hours of unlocked content and 100 practice questions. Upgrading to the full Pass the PMP course is super easy and definitely recommended. With the full access, you'll gain 35 hours of content and over 500 practice exam questions. 3 additional online mock exams are also available for purchase if you need extra studying. 200 unique questions are available with practice test A, B, and C. That's everything. I hope you enjoyed this video, and good luck studying.